Okay, you gonna walk across or what?
I'm gonna try to jump it.
You gonna try to what?
I'm gonna jump it.
You gonna jump in the water? Why don't you just walk up the log?
I'm gonna try to walk up the log, but
Get that log unstuck. Is it scary out there?
kind of. Wish you would have some help, or you wouldn't fall.
Could you crawl all the way across? Or would it just beat up your knees? So pokey.
I don't care, because the wild have to do this too. It floats perfectly like a boat. Now I gotta get down this. I was just gonna do that. I'm not going this way. I'm just gonna sit on this and fall into the water again. By the way, my feet. I didn't fall in the water on purpose. I'm just doing this because I'm nowhere. Stop! I want to stay right here. Like,
Go under it. Go under it. Go under that stick. There you go.
maybe I can just crawl.
No, don't crawl.
Nice idea, but
Just keep grabbing branches like you were on the way there. Oh, why you gotta get your Jordans wet?
I don't care because these are my outside shoes.
Okay, get on home.
The only way to do this is walk on the water.
I don't even see you in the video.
I'm literally right here.
It's as if you disappeared.
I'm like disappearing.
Yeah. You coming home or what?
I'm coming. Go that way. Keep back. Because I had to go like that because there's so many branches.
You should probably just go get straight in the shower.
No, I want to stay like
You got baseball practice tonight.